சாந்த சித்த சௌபாகியம் யாவையும் தந்தருள் சத்குரு நீயே பிரபு கணபதே பரிபூரண வாழ்வருள்வாயே பிரபு கணபதே ஆதிமூல கணநாத கஜானன அத்புத தவள ஸ்வரூப ஆதிமூல கணநாத கஜானன அத்புத தவள ஸ்வரூப தேவ தேவ ஜெய விஜய விநாயக தேவ தேவ ஜெய விஜய விநாயக चिन्मय पर शिव दीपा प्रभु गणपते परिपूर्ण வாழ்வருள்வாயே प्रभु गणपते 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 गणपते
Thank you.
Very good. Thank you.
வணக்கம்.
வணக்கம்
ராஜேந்திரன்.
வணக்கம் ரவி.
நன்றி.
வணக்கம் ரவி.
வணக்கம்.
வணக்கம்.
Thank you ராஜு.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட் வந்து
thank you
ராஜேந்திரன் சார் வணக்கம்.
ஓ வணக்கம் 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 எவ்ரிபடி வணக்கம்.
யா
4 பேரை தான் பார்க்க முடியறதுனால எல்லாருக்கும் அரே டைம்ல சொல்ல முடியறது இல்ல.
we have to pay respect to the souls.
Yeah.
Here I would like everybody to stand for a minute to pay respect. Thank you. Mr. P. Narayanan, BJP Manufacturing.
Oh.
A. Karunakaran, Security. Mr. V. Kannan, Finance. Mr. Shankar, Finance. Mr. Maran, PD. Mr. Tirunavakarsu, Manufacturing. Mr. Kupraj, Tool Room. Mr. Gopichandar, TPM. Mr. Ilangi, PDI. Mr. Kumar, HR. Mr. Sahani, MD. Mr. Gokul Rajan, IA. Mr. Satyanarayanan, PPC. Mr. Chandramouli, Mission Shop. Mr. Indrabalu, PD. Mr. Ganesh, KDC. Mr. Vishnu, Exports. Mr. Chandrasekhar, RO, Bangalore. Mr. Gopal Vishnu, Manufacturing. And Mr. Aryan, Marketing. We must have left some people. So for them also, let us pray to the Almighty that their souls rest in peace. Thank you.
கௌரி.
சொல்லுமா.
ஒரு one name is left out.
இருக்கும். அதுக்கு சேர்த்து கடைசியில் சொல்லிட்டேன்.
ரீசெண்டா பர்ச்சேஸ்ல ஒரு மேடம் ஒருத்தவங்க இருந்தாங்க. சபிதாவா யாரோ நினைக்கிறேன்.
சாந்தி வரதராஜன்.
யாரு?
சாந்தி வரதராஜன்.
ஆந்திர மாநிலம் கர்னூல் மாவட்டத்தில் சுற்றுலா பேருந்தும் லாரியும் ஐந்து பெண்கள் ஒரு குழந்தை உட்பட 14 பேர் உயிரிழந்தனர். 2 பேர் படுகாயமடைந்துள்ளனர். சித்தூர் மாவட்ட மதனப்பள்ளியைச் சேர்ந்தவர்கள் தெலுங்கானா
கோபால் வணக்கம்.
சட்டப்பேரவை தேர்தலில் திருமதி சசிகலா போட்டியிடுவது குறித்து சட்ட ரீதியாக முயற்சிகள் நடைபெற்று வருவதாக
டிவி யாரோ வச்சிருக்காங்க பாருங்க.
நியூஸ் கேட்டுங்க.
டிவி பயங்கரமா சத்தம் வருது.
பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காங்க பாருங்க.
மியூட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. யாரா கேட்கணும்னாக்க
admin can mute everybody.
நியூஸ்
Admin please mute everybody.
கரெக்ட்.
சேஷன்.
Hello. Good evening to all.
Hello Ravi.
Good evening.
Good evening Ravi.
Instead of admin
Very nice to see you all.
and putting their integrity into doubt, let us follow basic ethics. let us not keep TV or any other players on during this 1 hour. Thank you.
Correct.
Yeah, now I invite participants to share anything except the politics. Yeah, that is go for hours, days, months, years. So let us avoid it. And that we can share. Jana,
Gauri, how many
Gauri.
participants?
கௌரி
How many
நாயருக்கு
participants
பர்த்டே
so far?
கிரீட்டிங் எல்லா சார்பிலையும் சொல்லுங்க.
there are totally 41 now.
Only 41.
boy.
MK.
Hello, Ravi.
வணக்கம் செல்வம்.
கௌரி கௌரி கௌரி
Yes.
நம்ம on behalf of Real, let us wish Nair for many more happy returns.
Yeah.
நான் group ல இருக்கறேன் இப்போ. Is in the group now?
இங்க
Join
நான்
பண்ணிருக்காரா?
Birthday boy is there.
Thank you very much. Okay. Nice of you.
வணக்கம் நாயர் சார்.
Nair, sir.
Okay.
Many happy returns, Nair.
Happy return of day.
Thank you.
கீழே கரலையா இது ஆன் பண்ணியா
Today, Nair, sir. Good evening, Tyagarajan, Gauri,
Hello.
Devadas.
Hello.
yes, கேட்டியார் சொல்லுங்க.
Hello, how are you? How are you all?
Fine.
அஜெண்டா படி யாராவது ஒருத்தர் பேச சொல்லுங்க.
Give us your birthday for this day. Give us your birthday
Birthday message.
of the day. Message of the day.
One more year, that's all. So you can tell what you have been doing, how you are occupying yourself.
கௌரி பேர் டைப் பண்ணுங்க. யார் டைப் பண்ணல பேர் டைப் பண்ணுங்க. ABCD EFGH எல்லாம் வருது. நீ Z ஓட தான் பாக்கி இருக்கு பாரு. Please type your name.
Okay, Balachandra sir.
Yes.
Hi, Damodaran.
Devadas.
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
பேசுங்க நாயர். Please talk. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Now somebody asked me what I am doing because there was a time when I was so busy. Now with a vengeance, I am idling with a vengeance.
Idling with vengeance, that's a good statement.
Is life normal in Chennai?
Things, Corona has come down drastically. It is at 150 level in Chennai, 150 per day, that's all.
Chennai has become very normal now. Not only Chennai, all over India it has come down.
Except Kerala.
Except Kerala, correct.
Except Kerala.
பாலச்சந்தர் சார்.
Balachandra sir.
வணக்கம்.
Chennai is around 150. Bangalore average is around 300, 200.
Chennai is about 145 to 150 every day.
Kerala it is 5,000.
Kerala is very high.
Balachandra sir. Unmute yourself and your Kavitai. நாங்கெல்லாம் ஈகரா வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறோம்.
In Sivaga district, Karaikudi nil.
Gauri,
Yes.
TC Janardhan wanted to give some introduction about
Yes.
geriatric this thing.
Yes, yes, definitely. Can I make a start?
Yes, somebody can make a start, no?
Yeah, please start.
Then I'm happy. First of all, am I visible to you? I'm not able to see me in the screen. Now it has come.
You talk, you'll be visible to us.
Okay. This is TCJ version 2. Okay, without dye and all.
Yeah.
Are you able to recognize me first? Okay.
No, you look like a lallu.
But basically, I'm a mallu, you know. I'm a mallu.
Jana, everybody is left dying now.
Okay, that's good.
See,
No, you look very, very, very
for
smart
applying
without
dying,
dying.
Nair was my guru. Nair
Okay,
is
okay.
left it. I also left it. You also
Like-
left it.
Yeah, so people should respect me for the white hair.
Yes, yes.
Because I have not yet started, so I'm not able to leave it.
Okay. So, good evening to all my friends.
Yeah.
Let me give you a small talk on healthcare in the senior age, okay, which is very relevant today. I'll be very crisp, and I request people to avoid the interruption as the administrators requested. The external noise has come down now, so I hope I'm audible to all of you. Okay, the tips are very simple, basic, but some may not be practiced by you. That alone you have to add. So நம்மளுக்கு தெரியாதது ஒன்னு நான் சொல்ல போறது உங்களுக்கு தெரியாத நான் ஒன்னு சொல்ல போறது இல்ல. Okay, see the tips are like this.
இதுல வந்து கேக்கும் நான் இதுல போட்டுருக்கேன்.
இந்த கடைசில வரும் அந்த pediatric care, I mean the senior citizen care. See, first the tips start like this: eat lightly. Okay, we have to eat only lightly now at this age. Then breathe deeply. Ensure physical fitness. Ensure physical fitness. Is the volume all right, or I have to reduce the volume? You have to tell me now. Feedback.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Then be cheerful and happy. See, if you are grumpy and moody, then we tend to age fast. So we should be always cheerful and happy and maintain interest. See, if you ask me, like a child, even now I maintain interest. Okay, I am learning EV, I am learning Sanskrit. Something you don't know, you cannot ask me what you're going to do with. Some interest. All the Corona period, I never felt bored. I downloaded Sanskrit books, something, okay, on something technically, learned more computer details. Satya is my guru, the system Satya. Like that, maintain interest in some subject. Somebody will be interested in spiritual subject. So that interest you should keep alive. No smoking. In the group, if anybody has not given up smoking, please give up now. Reduce alcohol. I'm not saying no alcohol because no alcohol means people will start disliking me. So I'm telling reduce the alcohol, okay, or occasional. Doctors say 30 ml into 6 days is the ideal dosage. Okay, 30 ml, you know, it's the very smallest dosage.
As good as not taking.
Not taking. You can accumulate and take once in a while. Okay, the points accumulation. The reward points Mari. Reward points Mari as accumulate pannidanga. Okay. Then most important point I'm coming now. My dietitian tells me I'm overweight even now. Okay, my dietitian tells me you should invert the plate. 25% the rice or chapati irukkalam totally, including rice and chapati 25%. 75% should be with the vegetables. So plate should be inverted the other way. Okay, so 25% only we should eat carbohydrates like rice and chapati. 75% should be vegetables, fruits and all. Okay, then we should take a balanced diet. We should not stick on the same diet. We should take a balanced diet for intake of all the vitamins. You can take in between vitamin tablets. What I do is I take some type of vitamin tablets every day. Okay, there's nothing wrong in that. Then 2-3 liters of water we should take every day. Must. Okay. 2-3 liters. And they say you should avoid all these artificial oils. And this is from doctor's point only. I'm reading out. Okay. Reading out means I'm telling you. Gingerly oil and coconut oil are the best. That's what they say now. Okay. If somebody is having apprehension about coconut oil, you can stick on the gingerly oil. That's pere nallanai. So nallanai. Okay. So you can take it without any fear. Tamil avvala nalla vaartha koduthirukanga adukku. Nalla per koduthirukanga. So you can be very assured that our ancestors would have been correct only in that. Next is 5 grams of salt per day. You will wonder how can you measure 5 grams? 2 per inda 10 gram da. There are 5 gram spoons also available. Now I am telling you the very harsh statement. No sweets. Fried food, no fried food, no junk food. The Valentine Day ku enga club la vandu sweets tharenu sonanga. They are ordering 250 grams of chocolates. So I offered for sugarless chocolate. I don't have diabetes. My wife is having sugar problems, so we are getting sugarless chocolates. So you can imagine how sincere I am in my effort. So I wish you also have that same sincerity. Okay. 8 hours sleep is a must. I am seeing number members 1 a.m. people are posting. When I went to bathroom, I saw the screen flashing. I was curious to know who is that on the line. I don't want to name the person. I have given a personal message to him. You are not sleeping enough. Okay, but he is repeatedly doing it. So please see that 8 hours sleep is coming. And I don't get 8 hours sleep, so I am using sleeping tablets. அதுக்கு போய் அடிக்ட் ஆகணுன்றதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப பயப்பட வேண்டியது இல்லை. நமக்கு இருக்கிறது ஒரு மேக்ஸிமம் ஒரு 20-25 years of life maximum. Okay. அதில் போய் அடிக்ட் எல்லாம் ஆனால் ஒன்றும் nothing wrong in sleeping tablet. But doctor prescribe the right sleeping tablet and dosage. You can take 0.25 mg, 0.5 mg, 1 mg like that. Nothing is going to happen. You'll get very good sleep. Morning you'll be very fresh. Actually 6:30 I feel very fresh with that.
Does it work after some time? Does sleeping tablet?
Yeah, I am using it for 10 years.
Oh. Okay.
And I have not increased dose. I am using only very smallest dosage. It works. That's why you should consult doctor. He will change and see that it suits you. Suddenly in the morning ஒரு hangover வரும். The liquor சாப்பிட்ட மாதிரி தோணும். சடனா தலைவலிக்கும். அது நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணி 4-5 ட்ரை பண்ணி ட்ரையல் அண்டர்ல டாக்டரோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியா பேசி முடிக்கணும். Okay. No self medication.
What is the name of the tablet? What is the name of the tablet?
No self medication. Just now he's saying.
No self medication. I said I'll not tell the medicine name. Should consult doctor. I'm taking it. I'm finding safe.
I asked the doctor to prescribe.
We can have one-to-one talk on that. Definitely call me. I'll tell you. Okay. No public disposal because if somebody takes and any reaction comes, I'll not be this answering. See, இதுல ஒண்ணு சொல்றேன் நான். இப்ப யாராவது வந்து கை ஃப்ராக்சர் அடிச்சு எங்க போகணும்னு கேட்டேன் வச்சுக்கோ. I'll say Myote is good, bone and joint is good, Apollo is also good. Okay. So under responsibility of fixing the hospital lies with you. நம்ம வந்து ஒரு இடம் சொல்லிட்டு அவங்க ஓவர் சார்ஜ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க, சர்ஜரி தேவையில்லை, கட்டு போட்டா போறோம், சர்ஜரி பண்ணிட்டாங்கன்னு. அதனால இப்ப இந்த வயசுல அட்லீஸ்ட் ஐ பிகம் மோர் shrewd. Okay. So you also be like that.
Fix a family hospital.
Now 30 minutes of walk is recommended for everybody. இப்போ கொரோனா ஓரளவு கம்மி ஆயிடுச்சு. நீங்க பார்க்ல போலாம், மாடியில நடந்தா கூட பத்தாது. என்னக்கா கொஞ்சம் அண்டுலேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கணும். அப்பதான் அந்த ஃபீட்டோட மசில்ஸ், காஃப் மசில்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாம் சரியான எக்ஸசைஸ் கிடைக்கும். So 30 minutes of walking into 5 days. சாட்டர்டே சண்டே நீங்க மட்டம் போட்டுடலாம். ஓகே, 5 days. ஏன்னா சண்டே வந்து யூஎஸ்ஏல இருந்த பையன் பொண்ணு கூப்பிடுவாங்க எல்லாம் சொல்லலாம். சாட்டர்டே ஆல்சோ யூ கேன் டேக் ஆஃப்.
Sixth day.
So you can be very happily walking for 30 minutes. Okay. அது வந்து இப்போ கொரோனா குறைஞ்சிடுச்சு. நீங்க மாஸ்க் எடுத்தா வாக் பண்ணணும். மாஸ்க் போட்டு வாக் பண்ணா ஆக்சிஜன் பத்தாது. Okay, you will not get refreshed.
If you are able to walk, I think better to put mask. Even now, I think it's not advisable to take away.
What I do is when people come, you change the track. 2 meters track மாறிடுங்களே. யாராவது கிட்ட வரும்போது நீங்க track மாறிடுங்க. Because if you put mask, I find I'm not getting refreshed. அந்த பொண்ணோட benefit கிடைக்கல. Trees are giving oxygen, but the oxygen I'm not able to inhale. Okay. You know, I leave it to you. If you are feeling so insecure, you can put it. நாங்க போற டைம்ல யாரும் ஜாஸ்தி இருக்கிறது இல்ல. Okay, so அதனால வந்து we are able to go without mask. Now the doctors say you should do 20 minutes of yoga. See, yoga, even though it is born in India, we are not understood the benefit of it. When I went to UK and stayed with my son, his wife is a Britisher. She is carrying yoga mat while going to office. Backpack la yoga mat vechirukanga. After office they got half an hour session yoga. Adukku appuram dhaan veetukku varuvangala. Okay, so that yoga 20 minutes we can also practice. There are many institutions who are teaching yoga and simple yoga for senior citizens. Okay, suitable to us. 10 minutes pranayama pananum. Okay, the pranayama is a breathing exercise. Even net la kuda paathukitta guru kitta neenga kathikalam adu. Okay, pranayama, it is a simple breathing technique, or your friends can teach you. Edukku oru guru kitta pandrathu best. Then 20 minutes of meditation. See, meditation need not be a religious meditation. Okay, you can meditate on a flower or a meadow or a Himalayas, whatever it is. So nothing of this is attributed to religion. Yoga, pranayama, and meditation. Hello?
Eat like Italy, maintain interest vechunga, no smoking.
Ama
அதெல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டாரு. No smoking, no
alcohol. சொல்லியாச்சு. கடைசில ரவுண்டிங் அப் வருவோம். Round up. Okay, so 20 minutes of meditation is a must. So you please recap what my words. 30 minutes.
ഇതിലെ വളരെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ് ഒന്ന് சொல்லல, listening to music.
இல்ல relaxation வர போறேன் நான்.
Relaxation.
You should spend some time listening to good music. That will give you a lot of relief.
Maintain interest சொன்னீங்க, maintain interest. See there, and just before this Abba I was listening the old western music. You can listen to Carnatic music, you can listen to film music. So maintain interest la adu varudhu. Na detail panna relaxation techniques are very much required at this age. And Carnatic ragas and old Tamil film songs are the best for relaxation I have found. Okay, inda kalathu paatala pokka kudadu. Old songs they are very good for relaxation. And bhajans onnu illana om. And there is something called Tibetan gong music. Anjar gong vechirupanga or plate madri. Alla dum dum nadichu and the vibration is very suitable, very ideal for you to listen and relax. Somebody is interrupting.
Admin can
I ask that person to mute and talk. Please mute and talk there internally.
எதுக்கு லூசி ஆமா
Gauri sir, you can mute everybody.
Can I come to the next point?
நேத்து நைட் மஞ்சு அக்கா அவங்க ஃபோன் பண்ணி நாங்க டிரைவர் வச்சு போறோம், நீங்களும் வரீங்களா, கார்ல தானே போறோம், ஹோட்டல்லாம் தேவையில்ல அப்படின்னு நான் நினைச்சா ஏதோ பழைய காலத்து கோயில் போல இருக்கு சொல்லிட்டு நாங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நாங்க இவர் மட்டும் கேக்குறேன், இவர் வெளில போயிட்டு இருந்தாரு. அப்புறமா பார்த்தா திடீர்னு நைட் என்ன பண்ணாரு, ஒரு 9 மணிக்கு ஐயோ நாளைக்கு பிஎம் வராரு, ரோட் எல்லாம் பிளாக்டா இருக்கும், போனா மாட்டிக்கோ வேணான்ட்டாரு.
உங்களுக்கு அது இன்ட்ரஸ்டிங்கா இருக்கு.
பேப்பர் பார்த்துட்டு என்ன சொன்னாரு, சிட்டிக்குள்ளதான் பிரதமர் வராரு,
ஹெலிகாப்டர்ல வந்துறாரு அவர் அங்க இருந்து.
ஆமா அவுட்டர்ல பிரச்சனை இல்ல, அதனால நம்ம பைபாஸ்
வாய்ஸ் யாரும் தெரியும்.
கண்டு பண்ணட்டுமா with that person's permission? Walking in sunshine and getting vitamin D. See, you should not go in the evening after 5 and all. You should go when little sunshine is there, morning and evening. Okay, before sun gets off. So you should generate vitamin D, or you can take vitamin D supplement. I am taking vitamin D supplement. Okay, D supplement I am taking. Maintain weight. எனக்கு சொல்றது தகுதி இல்ல, but I have to tell you. Say height, total height in centimeter minus 100 should be your weight. So 160 is your height, means 160 minus 100, 60 kilogram only you should weigh. Okay, so that height ratio, that weight ratio, you should try to maintain. It is very simple calculation I am telling. Length, total height minus 100. Okay. So இது நீங்க மெயின்டைன் பண்ணி தான் ஆகணும். ஏன்னா போக போக நீக்கு லோடு ஜாஸ்தி வரும். And your knee may not be able to support the body. இப்பவே எனக்கெல்லாம் knee pain வந்துருச்சு. So என்னோட கஷ்டம் பார்த்துட்டு நீங்க வந்து இப்பவே குறைச்சுக்குங்க. Okay. Then reduce stress. Reduce stress naka you have to close all unwanted things like unwanted bank accounts, unwanted demat accounts. You have to declutter your life. இப்போ இது வேண்டாத நமக்கு வந்து ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் கொடுக்குற இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட்ஸ் கூட இப்போ நவ் மியூச்சுவல் ஃபண்ட் இஸ் கிவிங் லாட் ஆஃப் ரிட்டர்ன்ஸ். பட் இதுக்கு முன்னாடிலாம் ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் கொடுத்துருச்சு அது. அண்ட் ஷேர் மார்க்கெட் ஆல்சோ ஹஸ் கிவன் லாட் ஆஃப் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ். ஸோ ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் எடுத்தனாக்கா என்ன ஆகுதுனாக்கா ஹார்ட் இஸ் கெட்டிங் லோடட் அண்ட் யுவர் மைண்ட் கெட்ஸ் யுவர் ஹெல்த் கெட்ஸ் ரெடியூஸ்ட். ஸோ முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு safe investments are recommended at this age. Okay. Then our AMC for God withdraws by 60 years. Complete AMC is withdrawn. So we are on our own. And annual master health checkup is a must. Okay. எனக்கு ஹார்ட் பிளாக் இருக்கு. அது எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சேன்னாக்கா மாஸ்டர் ஹெல்த் செக்அப் பண்ணும்போது தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சது. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி I was not knowing I'm having that problem. அதனால ஒன்ஸ் இன் a year during birthday, பர்த்டேக்கு ஞாபகமா மறக்காது, அந்த டைம்ல போயிட்டு நீங்க பண்ணிடுங்க. பர்த்டே முடிச்சு பண்றது பெட்டர். ஏன்னா ஏதாவது இருக்குனாக்கா பர்த்டே மூடு போயிடும். ஓகே. அதனால பர்த்டே செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணி அந்த சுகர் லெவல் எல்லாம் குறைஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் பாயசம் குடிச்சுப்பீங்க இல்லையா பர்த்டேக்கு. ஸோ அப்போ வந்துட்டு யூ வில் ஹவ் ஹை லெவல் ஆஃப் சுகர் அண்ட் ஆல். people are taking drinks, they may take 1 or 2 extra pegs also on birthday. And அதோட எஃபெக்ட் எல்லாம் முடிஞ்சிட்டு ஒரு வாரம் கழிச்சு நீங்க டெஸ்ட் எடுத்தா கரெக்டா இருக்கும். ஓகே. people are having more disciplined life, you can take after two days also. So this is very important point which I am telling as a reminder. ஏன்னா உங்களுக்கு வந்து இதே what I am telling is applicable to spouse also. நம்மளுக்கு மட்டும் இல்ல, you should take care of the spouse also because he only maintains us, okay, by giving food and maintain the house. And spouse health ரொம்ப முக்கியம் நம்மளோட. If one day if she is not well, we are out. Okay. So take regular medication without fail. See, that is very important. The medicine chart, we should put reminders in the cell and take without fail. அப்புறம் ஒரு வாட்டி மிஸ் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா அடுத்த வாட்டி 2 சாப்பிடாதீங்க. பிளட் தின்னர்ல 2 சாப்பிட்டனாக்கா ப்ராப்ளம் ஆயிடுது. ஓகே. ஸோ விட்டாச்சுனாக்கா மறந்து போச்சுனாக்கா விட்டுருங்க. Many people I have seen, ஐயோ ஏதாவது ஆயிட போகுதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு 2 சாப்பிடுவாங்க அடுத்த வாட்டி. We should never do that. So we should be very regular and have fail-safe systems. சாப்பிட்டு immediately after dinner or lunch மாத்திரெல்லாம் அந்த டின்னர் பிளேட்ல அந்த இடத்துல வச்சுப்பேன். Okay, that way you can be having a self reminder. So this is very important because many people tend to miss the medicines. Okay. இது சொல்றது ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா, டூ சிம்பிள் நினைச்சுக்காதீங்க. இட் இஸ் பேசிக் பட் இட் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஓகே. தென் 3 months review with the doctor is what is required after 60. Okay. Immediately the retired people need not have 3 months. I am talking about the people who have crossed little years. Okay. People like CR and all who has come out now need not go for 3 months checkup. Okay. So this is for somewhat seniors who are crossed their 65 like that. Better to have 3 months review. Then 3 parameters you should check in 3 months: sugar, BP, 3 cholesterol parameters. See, Munamari, we did not go to lab and all. The lab technicians comes to our house and take the samples. All these good labs, Lister, Hitech, Aarati, அவங்களெல்லாம் வந்து வீட்டுக்கு வந்து they are taking samples. For 100 rupees extra அவ்வளவுதான். And for reports, if you want hard copies, they will charge another 100 rupees. Mail and WhatsAppல கொடுத்தா எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கிடையாது. ஸோ நீங்க லேப்ல போய் இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் எல்லாம் ஆகிறதுக்கு அங்கே படிக்கட்டுறதெல்லாம் அவாய்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, and mixing with other patients. So அதனால வந்து this doctor will prescribe and you should do it these 3 parameters every 3 months. Then some members has asked me that they require details on home visit for senior citizens, doctor's home visit. This is the point I am really coming to. See, doctor's list is available in Google, but problem is that was updated only in 2009, okay, by one Dr. Natarajan in Chennai. And the doctors நிறைய பேர் இப்போ ப்ராக்டிஸே பண்றது இல்லை. அவங்க வந்து ஹவுஸ் விசிட் நிறுத்திட்டாங்க. And some lady doctors and all, they're reluctant to go at odd hours. So அதனால that list is no longer valid. நீங்க அந்த லிஸ்ட் பார்த்து தயவுசெய்து கூகுள் லிஸ்ட் பார்த்துட்டு டாக்டர்ஸ் அண்ட் கால் நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணாதீங்க, பிகாஸ் யூ வில் கெட் இன் மோர் ப்ரெஷர். இப்போ நான் வந்து அதை பற்றி ஐ மேட் அ லாட் ஆஃப் ஸ்டடி அண்ட் ஐ டாக் டு த ஆத்தர் himself. So what he has done is he has created an institution. Dr. V.S. Natarajan is a noble person committed to welfare of senior citizens. He is in Kilpar. Okay, and he has been honored by Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, the earlier Chief Minister also so many times. He has written Tamil books and English books for senior citizens, various subjects which is of interest and importance to us. Okay, so what he has done is, he has identified the shortfalls. He has created a pool of doctors who will visit the patient, but the patient and doctor interaction doesn't work correctly because there are 2-3 filters coming in the layer. One is geographical filter, second is nature of ailment. If I'm a diabetic doctor, I'm a stroke patient, I may not be correct. Okay, so doctor specialization, geography, and the so many other factors are involved in this. So what he has done is, he has created a helpline. You have to go through a helpline and you will tell your problem. He will send a doctor to you. His assistant will send a doctor to your house. Okay, that number I shared in the reel in the morning. Okay, in mail also I given. So it's a paid service. Please imagine there any quality, you should have a paid service only. Okay, so now let me tell you something. See, the SMF is just a stone throw from our house in Ananagar. But suppose I ask a doctor to come to my house and check the readings and give an emergency medicine, she or he will charge me around 2,500 rupees. Okay, because they are to charge like that because the institution is a corporate institution. So we should, if we have to get quality care, we have to pay. But this is a corporate hospital, whereas in this V.S. Natarajan's group, it will be manageable and it will be acceptable type of payment. Okay, so this is very important. This is the last message I want to tell you. Okay, that is for doctors who visit, there is an institution available, and that institution number I given. I can once again WhatsApp also. This is called Dr. V.S. Natarajan's Geriatric Foundation. Geriatric Foundation. Okay, senior citizens care is called geriatric in medical parlance. So this information I want to share with you. Okay, see, none of the free things doesn't stick on to us. Okay, காசு கொடுத்ததே ஒட்ட மாட்டேங்குது, ஃப்ரீயா வந்தா ஒட்டவே ஒட்டாது. Tell me now. I have finished my this. I hope I not bored you.
No, very nice.
Wish you all good health. Okay.
Good tips you have given.
Thank you.
Gauri, can I continue what Jana said? Just 2 minutes.
Yeah, take 2 minutes, no problem.
Okay, don't mind.
Thank you.
Hello, good evening to all of you. I have lost, rather I have reduced my weight by about 15 kgs. So I thought I will also give one small how I was able to do that. Now it's a very short span of time, within a year or so. Of course, if you are looking at me in the video, you will be able to really see how I have reduced it. And I'm going to thank, of course, I'm not supposed to thank virus, but the coronavirus and the lockdown is the main reason for that. You know, because of the lockdown, all my extra things like your A to B, your grand sweets, everything was banned. Nothing was brought inside for a year. So I couldn't eat anything except what is made at home. Like what Jana was saying, junk food, that this he was talking about. But nothing, not even sweets, nothing I could take. So that brought down the weight like anything. Because I realized how much I was eating before, other than the normal food. So all that was stopped. That is point number 1. now I continue. Even now, though it is now available and everything is there, I'm encouraged by how I look now. So I thought I'll continue with this.
Yeah, you look very handsome.
Thank you.
That is one. The second point is that rice part. He was talking about rice and this thing. I have switched over to red rice,
We are not able to see you.
traditional rice. What we are talking about.
Please, we are not able to see you, please.
Pardon?
We are not able to see you. You are talking.
I am visible. If nobody is able to see me,
No, no. I'm not able to
so
see
my
you.
video is on. I am on. I am able to see me.
No, I think admin has to change the setting. Yeah.
Yeah, Jana, you are able to see.
Yeah, I am able to see you.
Yeah, I think okay. The second one is the rice. Rice, no, what I am taking now, I have switched over to this traditional rice. What they call is karunguruvai, and so many things are there in that rice. And believe me, even if you want to take more, you cannot take more. But the less you take, what you take, it retains and it give a very slow digestion, and hence you are automatically it brings down the intake. At the same time, it gives you enough energy. This is another point what I thought I'll share with you all. Maybe you may not like the taste of it. It is preparation also is little difficult because you may have to soak it for so many hours. Some of the rices for about 6 hours, 7 hours, 12 hours like that. But worth the trouble that you take. So you still keep healthy. You still keep fit. You are able to do and get good energy. But your intake is very less. You cannot take more. It's impossible because you have to grind. Unless you grind, you cannot push it inside. Like that rice is there. Many of you who are already tasting this will know this. So these two things I thought I'll share with you. People know how I was able.
Thank you, Jana.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, one more thing I would like to tell you. Brown rice also is good. You've got a lot of fiber content in that.
Yeah.
So you can take brown rice also.
Yeah.
Okay, I request G. Rangarajan. Hello, sir. Rangarajan, sir.
I think he's in mute. Please unmute him.
Yeah.
Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Good. Good evening, friends.
Good evening, sir.
Many of you may not be knowing me, so let me start with a small introduction. My name is Rangarajan. I was in Ennur and Hosur too. That's all the introduction. Let me come to the matter. Janardhanam and MSS told us about the health. So there is nothing more can be added. So let me put it this way. Today, I wanted to share the need for the personal data. Personal data. Hello?
Yeah, we are able to hear.
So before going into the data, what exactly is the personal data? Let me start with this. I'm happy today, the same day, 5 years back, we formally launched the real group with College of Engineering. Exactly same date. So I'm very happy to be with you. When Gauri Shankar requested me to share my thoughts on the experiences after retirement, I thought I will reserve it for some other day when we meet in person. So today I will talk about the personal data. Many of you may feel it is very elementary or rudimentary, but some of you may find it useful. If some of you find it useful, use it. I'm happy. If others can add some value to make it more interesting and more effective and more useful, that's welcome. Now let me start like this. A friend of mine who comes from a very affluent family, we studied up to PU together. Later on, he went to BSA, I went to engineering. He was coming from a very affluent family, running his own business and all that. This has happened exactly 36 years back. Every day he used to go to the bank for depositing or withdrawing any such thing. One day when he was in the bank, he fainted. Immediately, bank employees rushed him to the hospital. He was there for about 2 days in coma and expired. And his family was literally in the dark. They didn't know who is to pay them or who they should pay, where are the properties, where are the RC books of the trucks he was owning, who are the people who lent money, nothing. Then he gave me an idea. If this is to happen, anybody can get into this situation. why not we start some sort of a personal data? Many of us do not have any black income or something like that, which has to be kept secret even from the family. So this data is basically for the family when we are not available. So I started with a simple register, and over the years, many data were added. When desktop and laptops were available, then I switched over to computerized system. Now it is available both in the printed form and in the laptop, and added to that, I record it in the pen drive and keep it in the laptop. So my family knows what are the data, where to look for when I am not there. Another thing, we are growing old. Many things we forget. When we are supposed to renew our car insurance, when to pay the corporation tax, when is our driving license expires, when to renew the passport. There are many things. In fact, I was listing it out. Even the user ID and password, there are 21 are there. 21 user IDs and passwords are there. If we mix it up, then you won't enter any of the data. So it's all the more important. We should have a proper data for ourselves and for the family. Gauri, can we go to the next? The first page is just our address and the name, birthday, anniversary, and blood group. And in case of emergency contact, like wife, son, daughter, son-in-law, or all those friends, all this. This is very important. In case of emergency, anybody can pick up, you have the address and phone number. Here is an example. When I was very seriously ill, it was around 12:30 in the night. A friend Devadas rushed. He wanted, of course, I was not knowing anything. I was unconscious. Later on, I came to know when he rushed me by ambulance to the hospital, he asked for the insurance file. My wife was able to give him the file in 1 minute. All the data were readily available. So that gave me a confidence that what is the use of this data. Next page, please. These are the data I'm having. One by one, I'll go. Some of them very obvious, no need for any explanation. Some of them, for example, this is the bank data, bank account number, and of course, name of the joint holder and the operational mode. Next. Very important, the card details. When we lose the card, first thing they want, what is our card number? We already, card is not with us. How do we remember 16-digit card number? And also whom to contact. So this is important. Bank, card type, what is the card number, what is the validity, and who is to contact to give the information when we are miss the card. Yes, next please. These are some of the important information. Passport, license, Aadhaar number, then vehicle insurance, DMAT numbers, and PAN numbers. Of course, these are, I have not classified here. I am having with me, but I have not put it here. I am sharing only the blank details. Obviously, I cannot share my personal data. So these are all blank details, blank forms. Next. This is the fixed deposit with the banks and organizations. It gives here once again, since every bank has their own logic of giving the FDR number, it's very difficult for us to standardize. So what I do is I do the serial number here. I put my own serial number for every FDR and enter it in the both the computer as well as in the physical form. So everything, every time I see what is the date of maturity for renewal. Some of them auto renewal, some of them I have to go and get it renewed. Once it is renewed, I just circle it. This serial number is pre-printed in my book. So whatever number is there I'm entering, I put the same number in the FDR. So it is very useful at any point of time. And one more small thing I'm doing, as soon as I get I get it signed by myself and my wife. Because for premature closure, both signatures are required. So instead of running around in circles later on, always in emergency, we can always go and tender it in the bank and get the money. Next, please. This is the household insurance. Nowadays, insurance is a must for a household. This covers the breakdown insurance also, like TV, washing machine, or microwave, or fridge, and all those things, or AC, and all those things are covered, apart from furniture and fire accident and all those things. So this is annual. So it's very important, because annual immediately we should know this. No notice comes from insurance companies. So unless the risk we are careful and then renew, the insurance is not available. Here I put in the company name, which company, like Oriental Insurance or Royal Sundaram or something like that. What is the premium? What is the type of policy? When it is renewal, and how much is the worth? Right? Yes, please. This is LIC pension plans. All of us have got the superannuation plan. From that, we do have our own pension plan. So what are the pension plans? In the very important point is the return of corpus. Some of the choices we are given, the return corpus won't be returned. There are some policies, corpus is returned. It is our choice. We must know which policy money will come or which policy money won't come, and how much is coming, so that this can be tallied with the bank account. Is there any mistake? Recently, I found about 6 months, one of the policies, the money didn't come. Later on, when follow it up, they with arrears, they paid. So this is very important and useful to know what is the pension plan. Next. This is life insurance. Many of us will be having, of course, we can't take any insurance now, but what is taken already, we should know what is the plan, what is the premium and premium due, and when it is going to mature. This is medical and accident insurance. Is covered by the company, but still we should keep a track when it is expiring. And in this case, there is one more policy. You might have seen that. I mean, every serial number, there are two in this type. One is for ourselves, one for wife. There is one more thing in this. There are some policies which give daily allowance for incidental expenses. They call it a smart cash plan. So that also, how much money it will be coming per day. So there is no medical expense reimbursement. Medical reimbursement by different company. The cash reimbursement is to different company. So all these so many complications, it's under service, you put it down in writing, you may not be able to remember. Next, please. This is medical insurance for if somebody else is. I am maintaining this 2 times because one is for my mother, who is 90-year-old. She is with me. So I have a separate plan for her, and for us it's a separate plan. This is only my own, this thing, monthly commitments. For example, corporation tax, the premium payments, even birthdays, marriage anniversaries. What are our commitments? In this column, we get expenses, when it is, and how much, which month. So this gives us, in finance, people will know calendarization of expenditure, how to distribute. So this will help us to distribute our expenses, whatever possible. Like birthday and anniversaries, we cannot relocate. Whereas corporation tax in 6 months window is there. We can always plan it. That way it will help. This is mutual funds. Once again, in this mutual fund type, and then how many units, is most important. Anytime we need review and then maybe redeem or maybe increase, this will be useful. Incidentally, in this case, I'm not adding any share dealings because earlier it was manually maintained. Now, after the DMAT system has come, there is no need for us to maintain anything. They give every month a statement. Please. National savings certificates in the post office, if at all we are buying. Next. This is post office deposit. Many of us do have, because this is the only thing which gives the highest interest, 5-year lock-in period and 3 months, please. So here we mention what is the number, then when it is maturing, because they don't pay any interest after mature. Immediately we'll have to go and renew for 3 years. After that, it has to be closed only, and then we can start a new one. So this idea also helps to keep the track. This is the property details. Every people maybe in the house maybe be knowing what are the property, but what is important, where are the documents? Sometimes it may be in the locker, sometimes it may be in the cupboard. So not only property, date, cost, we also mention where is it available. Next. If we have public provident fund, same thing is also maintained here, how much we are depositing. Then recurring deposits. Many of us having a steady income now for planning any unplanned activities. We always have the RDs so that it can mature in the proper period. So we know how much we are depositing when it is maturing. Share transactions, we are not going because that's not important. The car insurance, if some people may have two-wheeler also, when insurance is to be renewed. The Murphy's Law, all of you know, when there is no insurance only, there will be a damage. And one more, one minute.
Yeah.
Dori.
Yeah.
Yeah. I maintain a book like this. These pages can be removed and the new pages can be added anytime. Only clip which won't come off so easily. You have to force. This same thing in the system also. If you find it useful, forms are the blanks are available with Gauri Shankar, or if anyone wants to improve upon, you are welcome, and also I will get benefited. Now, up to now, I was telling about after Janardhanam and MSS shared the health. I suppose I have given some insights into the wealth. Well, you can say health is wealth, but wealth cannot be health.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I have got a small video on display. What I have
Gauri Shankar, I am Karnagaran.
Yeah.
I want to say a few words. Okay? Is it okay?
I'll give you that, sir. I want to share with you.
Rangarajan சொன்னது பார்த்தோன்னா ரொம்ப எல்லாரும் வருத்தப்படாதீங்க இந்த மாதிரிலாம் பண்ண முடியலன்னு. We all joined in the year 1969. We always call him Mr. Perfect. அப்பெல்லாம் எங்க கிளாஸ் எல்லாம் உண்டு. அப்ப பக்தவசல்னு ஒரு ட்ரைனிங் ஆபீசர் இருந்தார் பக்தான்னு. எங்களெல்லாம் கூப்பிட்டு எல்லாத்தையும் உட்காந்து வச்சு 1969 நாங்க ஒரு 13 பேர் செப்டம்பர்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணோம், ஒரு 10 பேர் டிசம்பர்ல ரங்கராஜ் எல்லாம் ஜாயின் பண்ணாங்க. எப்ப பார்த்தாலும் டெஸ்ட் எல்லாம் வைப்பாங்க. ரங்கராஜ் தான் எப்போதுமே ஃபர்ஸ்ட், எங்களுக்கு ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனையே கிடையாது. இதுல ஒன்றும் இதே கிடையாது. ஆல்வேஸ் நோட் அஸ் பெஸ்ட் பர்ஃபெக்ட். இதை எல்லாம் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணதானே பண்ணுங்க. அதை பண்ணாதவங்க கவலைப்படாதீங்க. எங்களை மாதிரி நிறைய பேர் இருக்கிறாங்க. இது ஒன்றும் பெரிய விஷயம் கிடையாது. லைஃப் எப்படி ஓடிடும். அவனுக்கு 74 வயசாச்சு, எனக்கு 74 வயசாச்சு, இப்படி ஓடிட்டே இருக்கும். அது ஒன்றும் இது இல்லை. ஆனா முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு கவர் பண்ணுங்க. அவன் ஃபாலோ பண்ணலாம், தப்பு கிடையாது. பயப்பட வேண்டியது இல்லை. நான் இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜ்ல சில சமயம் ஒரு என்னை லெக்சரை கூப்பிடுவாங்க காலேஜ் ஆஃப் இன்ஜினியரிங் கிண்டியில. இந்த ப்ரொஃபசர்ஸ் எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, பெரிய சார்ட் போட்டுருவாங்க. சார்ட் போட்டு போன வருஷம் ஆர் ஃபார் இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ் a few years back 2018ல 17லாம் 2010ல இவ்வளவு பேர் கேம்பஸ் இன்டர்வியூல சேர்ந்தாங்க, 11ல இவ்வளவு பேர், இப்ப குறைஞ்சிட்டே வருது, உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் ஃபியூச்சரே இல்ல, ரொம்ப ப்ளீக் அப்படிம்பாங்க. நான் எப்போதுமே சொல்றது, கவலைப்படாதீங்க. ப்ரொஃபசர் சொல்றதெல்லாம் கேட்டுக்குங்க, ஒண்ணும் கவலைப்படாதீங்க. நம்ம ஊர்ல அவங்க வில்லேஜ்லயே எங்கேயோ டவுன்லயே போய் பாருங்க. நம்ம சுத்தி எவ்வளவு பேர் நம்ம கூட ஸ்கூல்ல படிச்சவங்க, பாக்கி காலேஜ்ல பியூ அந்த மாதிரி படிச்சவங்க எல்லாம் இருக்கிறாங்க, எவ்வளவு பேர் இருக்கிறாங்க. எல்லாரும் சர்வே ஆகுறாங்க, எல்லாரும் சந்தோஷமா இருக்கிறாங்க. அவனுக்கு ஒரு லைன், ஒரு மளிகை கடை வைக்கலாம், ஒரு ஷூ கடை வைக்கலாம், ஒரு கம்ப்யூட்டர் கடை வைக்கலாம், தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் அவசியம் எல்லாம் கிடையாது. அந்த மாதிரி ஒன்லி த செல்ஃப் கான்பிடன்ஸ், எப்படியாவது போயிருக்கும் அப்படிங்கறது தான் முக்கியம். அந்த மாதிரி இந்த மாதிரி ரங்கராஜன் சொன்ன லைன்ல போங்க. ஆனா இவ்வளவு டேட்டாவா, ஐயோ எனக்கு ஒண்ணுமே தெரியலையே, ஒண்ணுமே வைக்கலாம்னா கவலைப்படாதீங்க, பாத்துக்கலாம். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Rangarajan, I wanted to add something.
Yeah.
You have done a fantastic presentation, and thank you very much. And of course, from my part, I am maintaining that. But the one thing I want to add is the AMCs for the various equipments in the house. For example, AC, washing machine, and so on, so inverter, like that. So these are the areas, this one that can be added to this. And you have given a very exhaustive list. And thank you very much for that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This will help the wards mostly, even though it is helping. As soon as you expire, no.
Yeah.
Very nice, Rangarajan ji.
Thank you. Mr.
Thank you.
The other people who are supposed to take a...
Yeah, Jana was touching on a point that he has learned something in Sanskrit, all those things, downloaded certain things and all. So what I have done in the COVID period, the last 8-9 months, I'll just display as a video. It is 8.5 minutes.
NIQR had organized the Six Sigma competition in virtual mode, and the awards presentation was also planned in virtual mode. One WhatsApp video stimulated me. Virtual presentation of gold medals by the chief guest at IIT Madras. This video gave me an idea. I wanted to do something similar to this. I did some fact checks. Actually, real videos were shot in chief guests and participants' houses separately and mixed using VR technology, that is virtual reality. And the total cost will be rupees 5 to 10 lakhs. Also, sending cameramen to the participants' homes defeats the purpose of virtual competition. I learned video editing software EDS during this lockdown and made some trials for movement of parts separately and mixing them. That is, rotation of wheels, exhaust of smoke, etc. This prompted me for a bigger project. I wanted to make the awards presentation in a virtual mode. Before the award ceremony, a video was shot in chief guest's phone. His son shot a few videos in his mobile of chief guest presenting his elder son with an award. A few videos were shot and the best one was selected for my project. Plenty of screenshots. 12 selected out of 70. Split into chief guest and awardee. In Photoshop, the screenshots were split into head, upper body, lower body, 2 hands and 2 legs using eraser tool and magic eraser tool. These are the selected parts. Parts are imported to the video editing software EDS. Mixing of all parts proportionately. Given movement in the timeline along with rotation as necessary to make movement similar to the selected video. Photos of awardees received through email. Change direction from left to right in PowerPoint. Awardees head carved out from the original photo using Photoshop. photos of awardees. Changing dress color of awardees in Photoshop, using quick selection tool, create new fill, solid color, color picker, etc. Created a backdrop, stage and award to bring some reality to the presentation. Final output from EDS. Inserting the different colored dress for different awardees. Used layout or copying the effects and transferring to different awardees. As the movement was slow, innovatively used a speed increaser to the final output. And this is the final output. Created videos for 26 awardees and combined them to display on the virtual awards session. After period, I have learned the following softwares: Photoshop, EDS 8 video editor, Unique Converter. My sincere thanks to the following persons who helped me: Mr. Praveen, freelancer, for giving tips for video editing; Mr. Padmanabhan, my college mate, and Mr. Raghavan, my NIQR colleague, for giving me into. We have learned in school, Mata, Pita, Guru, Daivam. Today it is Mata, Pita, Google, Daivam. I have learned almost 80% of the software through YouTube videos only. Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah. Excellent, Gauri.
Yeah, thank you.
Seen this earlier, but your process now only I understand how complicated what you have gone through. Fantastic results.
Hello.
Definitely
only 25%.
The participant would have been very happy to receive it in the virtual form rather than just informing them by mail or something like that. Excellent.
Hello.
Yeah.
Thanks very much for Janardhanam to talk about wealth and Rangarajan about wealth. So also, I would like to tell one thing. We should leave something for our generation. Best thing, you should write all your biography and leave to them. In this way, I started writing diary from the year 1964. Knowingly, unknowingly, that was very useful in writing up my biodata in a book called Armugathin Aravadadu Ninaivalayal. In that, about 200 of my relations are being mentioned, and with all full details of their birth, everything. Everybody is astonished. நான் எப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சிருந்தாரு அப்படின்ட்டு இதெல்லாம் நான் எழுதின டைரி. இது வரும் சந்ததியினருக்கு வழிகாட்டியா இருக்கணுன்றதுக்காக எழுதியிருந்தேன். நான் பார்த்த இடங்கள், நான் தனிப்பெறிஞ்ச இடத்தோட மகிமைகள், இப்போ எல்லாத்த பற்றியும் நான் அதில் எழுதியிருக்கேன். அந்த புக்கு ஆறுமுகத்தின் 60 ஆண்டு நினைவு நிலைகள். இது என்னுடைய சஷ்டிப்த பூர்த்தி அப்போக்கு எழுதி முடித்தேன். அதை ஒரு 1 year ஆகி ஃபோட்டோஸோடு பிரிண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். இது மாதிரி எல்லோரும் அவங்களோட சந்ததிகளுக்கு அவங்களுடைய வாழ்க்கை வரலாறு, அவங்க எப்படிலாம் ஃப்ரம் கிரவுண்ட் லெவல்லேருந்து மேலே வந்தாங்க, இதெல்லாம் சொல்லி வச்சோம்னா அவங்களுக்கும் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் ஆல் லிசனிங்.
Thank you.
Very nice, Armugam.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Almost, sir. Thank you.
Thanks. Okay.
Shankar, you want to say something? Please unmute yourself.
சார் ஸ்ரீதரன் பாலாஜி சார்லாம் வந்திருக்காரு, கொஞ்சம் பேசலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Balaji sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, Balaji.
Yeah, hello sir. How are you, sir? Mr. Rangarajan, sir.
Thank you, Balaji. Nice to see you.
Yeah, very thrilling. I think sad, and I think I could not call by everybody by name, but even then, I'm very glad in meeting the people now. After during this pandemic period, it's very, very difficult to meet in person, but at least virtually they are able to share our love and affection and the learnings and how people are taking the life into really a good experience, and also learning for many people like me. And I learned a lot, and it's very good. And in the past, I missed many of this personal meeting, this AL retirees meeting for so many reasons, and I was not available here at many times. But now I'm getting that, I'm thinking that I missed many good opportunities in meeting in person. And I think today Sekhar has induced me to talk. Okay. And here after Mr. Rangarajan told me, and even I have sent one WhatsApp message to him directly, I think he can read it. I'm really following this for the last 25 years. I got a big data with me. And apart from that, I am writing to my daughter what are all the things she has to do with the bank accounts or any transactions, and so many other these things. But in short, I want to tell you, because everybody would have been earned and taken some property on your name, and you want to gift it to your daughters or son or inherit to your generation. But one thing, you please don't do a mistake. Don't write your will. I'm telling it for some reason. Don't write will and get registered. It is going to cost you a lot to your generation. It has to be done only through the court. That is a very, very long and difficult process. Until otherwise, there's a complicated issues. If there is a straight inheritance of your property to your wards, don't write will and register it. This is a small tip I want to give it to all the people, because it's an important thing in your life also. My personal case, it took almost 4 years, and it had almost cost 10% of the property value. Okay, even lawyers will take your life out. Be careful on that. I want to share you on this occasion. Otherwise, I'm happy to see you all. Good thing, and everybody feel very wellness, good fit, and very happy to see the faces now. Thank you, Gauri.
Thank you, Balaji.
Thank you, Balaji. Thank you, Balaji.
Yeah, nice, sir. Thank
You want to say something? Fashion?
Yeah, Nana.
Hello.
Yeah.
Nana, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This Mr. Rangarajan சொன்ன அந்த statements, as Mr. Balaji has told, I am also maintaining it for the past so many years.
Very good.
So all my details, but of course, some of the extra details which Mr. Rangarajan has mentioned, I would like to add into my folder. But I have been doing it because memory fades, but the ink stays. So, and also that my son is in UK, I used to update it and give it to him every now and then, so that I'll spend some time whenever I go there, explain it to him what I am doing and what I am updating, so that he is also aware. Of course, my wife knows about it because she stays with me. And it's a very useful thing because it removes your tension from your mind. And we need not have to bother about whether we have done it right, we have done it wrong and all that. If you have a doubt, you can just open it and see. It's a very useful information. And thanks to Mr. Rangarajan that he could share it to all the people. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. இப்ப நான் சேகர் பேசலாமா?
பேசுவா.
இப்ப வந்து வணக்கம் எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம், சேகர் பேசுறேன். இப்ப ஸ்ரீதரன் சார் சொன்ன மாதிரி வந்து ஸ்ரீதரன் பாலாஜி சார் சொன்ன மாதிரி வந்து இந்த லாயர்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து நம்மளோட உயிர் எடுக்கிறாங்க. அதாவது நீங்க ஒரு கேஸ்ன்னு நம்ம போயிட்டோம், அது அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு நிரந்தரமான ஒரு சிவில் கேஸ் எல்லாம் போயிட்டோம்னா அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு நிரந்தர வருமானம் வருதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு 4 வருஷம் 5 வருஷம் இந்த கேஸை இழுத்துறாங்க. அதனால நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா, அந்த மாதிரி யாராவது நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் சர்க்கிள்ல நம்மளோட சீனியர்ஸுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது இஷ்யூ இருந்துச்சுன்னா, என்னோட லீகல் அட்வைசர் ஒருத்தர் இருக்காரு, ஜென்கின் வில்லியம்னு பேரு. அவர் வந்து இப்ப வந்து நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா, அதாவது மேக்சிமம் நீங்க கேஸ்ன்னு போயிட்டீங்கன்னா லாயர் எல்லாம் வந்து அவங்க வருமானம் வருது ஒரு அடிமை சிக்கிட்டாங்கிற மாதிரி தான் வந்து யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி இல்லாம பண்றதுக்கு என்னால ஹெல்ப் பண்ண முடியும். அதாவது ப்ரொஃபஷனலா வந்து ஹெல்ப் பண்றதுக்கு ஏதாவது யாருக்காவது இந்த மாதிரி இஷ்யூஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா சால்வ் பண்றதுக்கு. ஏன்னா நான் வந்து இது ரியல் எஸ்டேட்ல லீகல் மேட்டர்ஸ்ல நிறைய நான் இன்வால்வ் ஆகிருக்கிறதுனால யாருக்காவது வேணும்னா நான் நிச்சயம் வந்து சப்போர்ட் பண்றேன். நான் முன்னாடி சொல்லுவேன் இல்லையா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இன்னிங்ஸ் செகண்ட் இன்னிங்ஸ்னு சொல்ற மாதிரி, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இன்னிங்ஸ் அசோக் லேலன் முடிச்சிட்டோம், செகண்ட் இன்னிங்ஸ் வி ஆர் ஆன் அவர் ஓன். இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது நம்ம வந்து ஒவ்வொருத்தங்களும் ஒருத்தர் வந்து இது ஹெல்த் இஷ்யூ மட்டும் இல்லாம இந்த மாதிரி இந்த லீகல் டேங்கிள்ஸ் இந்த இஷ்யூஸ் வரும்போது சால்வ் பண்றதுக்கு ஏதாவது ஹெல்ப் பண்ணா கூட என்னால நிச்சயமா ஹெல்ப் பண்ண முடியும். அந்த மாதிரி வந்து இதெல்லாம் வந்து அதாவது இது வந்து எனக்கு ஒன்றும் பெரிய பெனிஃபிட் கிடையாது. அதாவது ஒரு 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 ஹிடன் அஜெண்டா இல்லாம நிச்சயமா நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு நம்மளோட சீனியர்ஸுக்கு என்னால ஹெல்ப் பண்ண முடியும். நான் ஒவ்வொரு மீட்டிங்ல சொல்றேன் இல்லையா, ஹெல்த் இஷ்யூஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம சப்போர்ட் பண்ணலாம்னு. அது ஒரு பாத்தீங்கன்னா அதை பத்தி அடிக்கடி பேசிட்டு இருக்க வேணாம். இந்த மாதிரி வந்து ஸ்ரீதரன் பாலாஜி சார் சொன்னது மாதிரி எனி லீகல் இஷ்யூஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதுக்குமே என்னால வந்து நம்மளால சப்போர்ட் பண்ண முடியும். சரியா? தேங்க்ஸ் கௌரி சார். தேங்க்யூ.
தேங்க்யூ சேகர். எக்ஸலென்ட் ஆஃபர் ஆஃப் ஹெல்ப். தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you, Sekhar. Gauri, only one point I want to say. This recently, this family health plan, some of them may not be aware.
Which one?
They have changed the address, which I understood from the pension group. Okay, just to do for people's benefit, the family health plan, they have changed the address, the same Dindi area. Okay, just I wanted to share that thought. Our wedding claim. Okay.
Okay. Anybody else wants to share something?
சார், கோபாலகிருஷ்ணன் சார் நீங்க பேசுங்க.
யாரு?
அம்பத்தூர் கோபாலகிருஷ்ணன் சார். நாங்க புண்ணாக்கு கோபாலகிருஷ்ணன் சொல்லுவோம். இருக்காரா?
Gauri.
Yeah.
Gauri.
Yeah, tell me.
Hey, Shekhar.
I just want to share one thing.
One doubt. We should not give the will. Sridharan Balaji. Hello?
Illa, okay, I will answer it.
Hello?
Okay, Gopal, I will answer your Gopal, you hear me? Gopal?
இதே அவன் ஸ்ரீதரன் will எழுதாதீங்க, அதுல ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குன்ட்டு. ஹலோ?
சொல்லுங்க.
அப்போ ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி எப்படி பிரிச்சு வைக்கிறது பசங்களுக்கு?
And shall I answer it? Shall I clear the doubt, Gauri?
Yeah.
Okay, I think you are able to hear me all. See, if you want to inherit, you want to transfer your property, இதுக்கெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு ரெகுலர் ரூட்ல வந்துட்டு லாயர் மூலமா தான் போகணும். கன்சல்ட் பண்ணிட்டு ப்ராப்பர் டாக்குமெண்ட் எழுதுறதெல்லாம் இதெல்லாம் கரெக்ட். நான் சொல்ல வர்ற பாயிண்ட் என்ன அப்படின்னா, if it is a simple case, a straight transfer of your property to your inheritant people, that is your son or daughter, அதுல ஏதாவது ஒரு காம்ப்ளிகேட் இருக்கு, உங்களுடைய வருமானமா இந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியே வந்துட்டு உங்க அப்பா கிட்ட இருந்து வந்தது, உங்க தாத்தா கிட்ட இருந்து வந்தது, அதுல சில கொஞ்சம் லீகல் விஷயங்கள்லாம் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொன்னா, அது ஒரு லாயர்கிட்ட கன்சல்ட் பண்ணிட்டு மியூச்சுவல் வே அக்ரிமெண்ட்ல பேச்சுவார்த்தை பண்ணி சொத்தை பிரிச்சு அதுக்கேத்தாப்புல எழுதிக்கிறது பெட்டர். அந்த ஐடியால தான் சொல்ல வந்தேன். சப்போஸ் அதெல்லாம் யார்கிட்டனா பேச மாட்டேன், நான் வந்துட்டு வில் எழுதி வச்சுட்டு போயிடுறேன், பின்னால வரக்கூடிய ஜெனரேஷன் அவங்க வந்து பார்த்து எடுத்துக்கட்டும்ன்ற ஒரு ஐடியாவுக்கு போகாதீங்கன்னு சொல்றேன். ஏன் சொல்றேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா, அந்த மாதிரி நீங்க போனீங்கன்னா உங்க யாருக்கு எழுதி கொடுக்கணும், யாரு என்ஜாய் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறாங்களோ அவங்கனால ஈஸியா என்ஜாய் பண்ண முடியாது. ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு தேவையில்லாத சொத்து ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி வேல்யூக்கு மேலேயே நீங்க செலவு பண்ற மாதிரி கூட வரலாம். பி கேர்ஃபுல். ஏன்னா இது வந்து தெரியாது, லாயர்ஸ்ட போயாச்சு அப்படின்னு சொன்னா அது வேற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். தட் இஸ் a different டாபிக், வேற மாதிரி பேசலாம் அது. அதனால ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவாய்ட் பண்ண பாருங்க. அது ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா முதல்ல பேச்சுவார்த்தை பண்ணுங்க, பேசுங்க, யாருக்கு இவ்வளவுதான் கொடுப்பேன் அவ்வளவுதான் கொடுப்பேன்னு பேசுங்க, ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா டீல் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது எழுதி வச்சுட்டு பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னா நீங்க போயிடுவீங்க, நம்ம போயிடுவோம், சாரி நம்ம போயிடுவோம். பின்னால இருக்கவங்க வந்துட்டு திட்டுவாங்க, இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டானே, கை கூட கடையிலையே, இவெல்லாம் மனுஷனா அப்படின்னு திட்டுவாங்க. அதான் சொல்ல வரேன், வேற ஒண்ணு. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.
Right.
Okay. Hello.
Great show.
Yeah, it was a good point.
Hello.
Gauri.
Yes.
Gauri.
Yes.
I want to make some points.
Yeah, tell me.
I think for the past 2 years, our medical insurance, they have made a new offer. That is the master health checkup. 1/3 of the cost is being borne by the company through FHPL. Anybody, are you all aware of that? Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yes, please.
Okay. Yes. See, our medical master health checkup, every year we used to pay from our pocket, but for the past 2 years, 1/3 of the cost is being shared by the company through our third-party assurer, like FHPL or Vidal, right? But earlier, getting appointment with the designated hospital was very easy. These people have made it only with the Apollo Clinic. This FHPL has made the arrangement with at least the Apollo Clinic. But we are not able to fix the appointment so easily with the Apollo Clinic. For example, for the past 2 days, I have been trying to fix an appointment for myself and my spouse. But they said you have to come through the corporate. They give some toll-free number, 1800, 500, 7788 or something. If I ring up that, then they will take some time. Then they'll ask us to send a confirmatory mail. I have sent mail 3 times. They say within 4 hours you will get the appointment. Whichever clinic you want, in Apollo Clinic, this thing, whichever clinic, the location, whether T Nagar or Anna Nagar, whatever it is, they say they will within 4 hours you will get the confirmatory message. But for the since yesterday I have been trying, still I am not able to get it. Then finally I tried to contact the FHPL people coordinator, Nishar. He said, sorry sir, tomorrow you please call me, I'll do something. This is the problem. I don't know whether any of you have come across this difficulty. Anybody has come across this difficulty? No answer.
We are not opted for it, that's why.
We have not opted for it.
No. This is no question of option. This, whoever has got a medical insurance with the company paid medical insurance, they are giving the offer. 1/3 of the master health checkup is being shared by the company. Suppose if it is there are 2 plans. One is silver, another is gold. Only the number of tests vary. So last year I got it done for the gold that I paid from my pocket year before last year end.
Hello, Rajavan.
Yeah.
I am Satyamurthy.
Yeah,
Like last year before Corona, I had the problem.
okay,
Apollo Clinic. I am in Bangalore at present.
okay,
And the clinic ponana, you have to come through your insurance company. You have to contact Vidal Nanga. I searched all the documents and called the Vidal people. They are very kind. They sent me a number.
okay.
And with that, I went to Apollo Clinic. But because of the Corona, I have just postponed this one. So whenever you have the problem, please contact your insurance people,
Yes,
whether it
yes.
is Vidal or IFPL or
FSPL.
something like that.
No, FSPL,
Apollo
they are very
Clinic,
courteous, very
Apollo
courteous.
Clinic doesn't immediately answer. They don't fix up. Their simple answer is go to your insurance people. So if you want any help,
When I contacted the Apollo Clinic, they said you have to come through our corporate.
Yeah, exactly. That has happened to me also.
And that fellow has given me a wrong number. Instead of 1800, 1860, they have given 1800. I have been trying. I get an answer that the number doesn't exist.
No, you can call your insurance people, whether it is IFPL or Vidal. I contacted Vidal only.
Then after that, I got the correct number. I spoke to them. No, my point is, this is not as user friendly as.
No,
it's what I'm trying to emphasize.
இல்ல ராஜகோபால், நீங்க உங்க விடாலோ இல்ல ஐஎப்பிஎல்லோ நீங்க பேசினா they are very helpful. For my part, I contacted some Ban Priya or somebody from Vidal.
Priya and Vidal.
Yeah.
Deepthi for FSPL.
I don't know.
Nishar Ahmed and Deepthi.
That's what I'll relay.
Today I spoke to Nishar. He said he asked me to contact tomorrow so that I can fix up. I'll make it easy.
Sir, you can have one-to-one with Mr. Satyamurthy separately.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you. And any more person is interested in speaking?
Yeah, one thing I wanted to tell you.
I would like to add one small suggestion to all of you. Please keep our TM Ravichandran and Kansami Pillai's numbers handy. In case of anything, you can refer to them. They are very helpful personalities in our real group also.
Hello.
Rajagopal sir,
yes.
Since they are connected only to Apollo, there are other hospitals which offer you lesser cost for the medical staff, which is even less than the 2/3. No, so some of people will be doing it in privately, not going to Apollo because of the difficulties Apollo normally gives.
Yeah.
Yes, Gauri.
Yeah, I think it is 7:35.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Gauri.
Almost 1.5 hours I have got.
Shall we call the meeting closed?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you, Gauri.
Thank you.
Yeah. I officially thank all of you. Official vote of thanks.
Thank you.
I will spend your last 1.5 hours with all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Really 1.5 hours? I couldn't even think that it's 1.5 hours.
Yes.
Thank you, Gauri. Well done. Thank you, Gauri. Well done.
Thank you all.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Thank you all.
Well done, Gauri.
Thank you, Gauri.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Gauri,
Thank you, Gauri.
Take care.